Hi everyone! For today's vlog ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kapaligiran ng aming hospital, guys. So, that one is B complex. O, diba? Mas maganda yung tanawin, yung mga green grass of home. Diba? Tingnan nyo. This is a King Faisal Hospital that we work right now. Then, as you could see, so diba, bagong trim yung kanilang mga damo, yung mga halaman sa gilid-gilid. So, nagagandahan lang talaga ako sa ngayon kasi nga, pa-winter na, maganda ang tanawin, ang ambience, so ayan. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video always. Don't forget to like and share my video. Okay, bye everyone. Hi Ate Kat. Let's go.